Uncertainty in statistics is measured by the amount of error in an estimate of the mean or average value of a population. Example, let's say you want to calculate how long it takes a ball to drop to the floor from the height of a table. To get the best result, you will have to measure the ball falling off the tabletop at least a few times, let's say 3. Then you'll have to find the average of the 3 measured times and then add or subtract the standard deviation from that number to get the best results. Let's say you measure the 3 following times: 0.50 seconds, 0.30 seconds, and 0.48 seconds. Now find the average by adding up the 3 different measurements by dividing the result by 3. Now divide 1.28 seconds by 3, so the average time is 0.43 seconds. Then let's find the variance of these measurements by finding the difference between each of the 3 measurements and the average. Now add up the squares of these differences. Next, find the average of these added squares by dividing the result by 3. Next, find the standard deviation by simply finding the square root of the variance, which is 0.008 seconds. So the standard deviation is 0.01 seconds. So since the average of the measurement is 0.43 seconds and the standard deviation is 0.01 seconds, so the final measurement is 0.43 seconds, positive, negative, 0.01 seconds. Probability in statistics is a mathematical tool used to study randomness. It deals with the chance of an event occurring. Example, Bob took 2 sets of tests having the probability of 0.6 in passing both tests and 0.8 probability in passing the first test. What is the probability of him passing the second test given that he passed the first test? What we are going to use is the conditional probability. So we have here the solution of the conditional probability. So the probability of A, which is the second, and given B is the first. Now divide the probability of A and B, which is the first and second, with the corresponding value of 0.6 to the probability of B, which is the first, with the corresponding value of 0.8. So the probability that Bob passes the exam is 0.75.